Yes, Mr. Sarthak. How to do question number 1?
So first we'll bring 2x to the other side of equal to. So it will become minus 2x equals 18. So it will be x equals 18.
Mr. Satya, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Sarthak, question number 2.
So we'll move 3t to the other side of the equal to, and it will become minus 3t. So then minus 3 will go to the other side. So it will become 2t equals minus 2.
Therefore, t would be equal to
Minus 2 upon 2, so minus 1.
Mr. Satya, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, how should I do question number 3?
So I took 5x and 3x together. So it became 5x minus 3x is equal to 5 minus 9, which would be equal to 2x is equal to minus 4. Then we have to divide both by 2. So minus 4 divided by 2, which would be equal to minus 2.
Mr. Satya, is it okay?
Yes.
Mr. Sarthak, is the answer okay?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, question number 4.
So I took 4z minus 2z is equal to 6 minus 3. And then I did 2z upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 2. So z is equal to 1.5.
Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Satya, question number 5.
So 2x plus x is equal to 1 plus 14. Then 3x upon 3 is equal to 15 upon 3. So x is equal to 5.
Sarthak, is the answer correct?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, how should I do question number 6?
So first we'll open the brackets. So for that we'll put the minus 1 to the other side of the equal to. So it will become plus 1.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Satya, have you understood?
Yes.
Sarthak, the final answer would be 0. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
See, in this question, you will first open this bracket. So 3x minus 1. That would be equal to 3x minus 3. Now, I will solve this 7 and minus 3. This is equal to 4. And then I bring my 3x on left hand side and this 4 to the right hand side. So 5x is equal to 0. Therefore, x has to be 0. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, question number 7.
So we'll open the bracket first. So x equals 4 upon 5 into x plus no, into 10.
Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
What should I do next?
So we'll solve the right side of the equal to and
Have you understood?
yes, sir.
I'm sorry, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
See, basically, all I'm trying to tell you is that you can only add and subtract an x quantities and add and subtract the numbers. So, for example, I can add or subtract 3x and x, or I can add and subtract 3 and 5. I can't do this. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So the x's would be added to the x's. X's can be added or subtracted. Similarly, numbers can be added or subtracted. But you can't add a x to a 5. That you can't do or subtract. Satya, have you understood?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Sarthak, what should I do next?
So we subtract x by x.
Okay. So what will be the answer?
So x.
See, how you can do this is, you want to do x minus 4 by 5x. Yeah. Now the subtraction of these two is the same as a subtraction of 1 minus 4 by 5. Have you understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
You can imagine that this x has an invisible 1 at the left hand side. Have you understood, Mr. Satya?
Yes.
So, Satya, how will I subtract 1 minus 4 by 5? Mr. Sarthak?
So we'll find the LCM.
Sarthak, is it okay?
So, but how did 5 come?
You can write this 1 as 1 by 1. If you are getting confused, just write this 1 as 1 by 1. Is it fine now?
Yes.
So 5 is the LCM. So a 5 will come here and a 4 will come here. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
And if you are still confused, you can write this 1 by 1 as 5 by 5. I think now it should be okay.
Yes, sir.
5 is the LCM and 5 minus 4. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So whatever method you are comfortable with. Satya, again, we have done a lot of videos for fractions also. You need to revise those videos. How to add, subtract, multiply, divide fractions.
Okay.
So just go through those videos, lots and lots of videos. So 1x minus 4 by 5x would be, so similarly, I can write this as 1 by 1x minus 4 by 5x. This is my LCM 5. This would be 5x minus 4x is equal to x by 5. Sarthak, have you understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So the answer would be x by 5. So here I can write this as x by 5 is equal to 8. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
This is a bit difficult question, but we need to do these. So therefore, Mr. Sarthak, x would be equal to,
So 8 divided by 5.
by 8 divided by 5. Why?
So because we'll put 5 on the other side.
Array, if x by 5 is equal to 8, then I need to eliminate this 5. What should I do? On both sides, what should I do?
Oh, so we'll multiply 5.
Shabash, shabash. You need to multiply by 5. Why? Because this 5 will cancel and therefore x would be equal to, Mr. Sarthak?
40.
Shabash. So please try to understand again. Please try to understand how algebraic fractions are subtracted. So for example, if I have 2 by 3x minus, let us take a simple example. Let us say I have 8 by 3x and 2 by 3x. Sarthak, how should I do it? The LCM would be?
So the LCM would be 1 only.
3. So this will be equal to 8x minus 2x is equal to 6x by 3 is equal to 2x. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Satya, can you see the screen?
Yes.
So do you remember this is equal to classes? Shivang, we had done a lot of videos about multiplication, addition of subtraction and fractions. Mr. Satya,
Yes,
do you? Mr. Sarthak?
Yes, sir.
So all these videos are there. Whenever you have time, you can go and revise them. So for example, for equations also, we have done a lot of videos. What I'll suggest is that whenever you have time, you should go and revise these videos. Satya, any doubt?
no, sir.
See, usually what happens is that because this addition and subtraction of fractions is a bit confusing topic. So whenever you have time, so all these videos are there. So for example, for equations also we had done. For equations also you'll find lot of videos. How to solve linear equation, how to solve simple linear equations, how to convert word statement into algebraic. Mr. Sarthak, can you see?
Yes, sir.
All these videos are there. Solving simple linear equations. Satya.
Sir, on your is equal to Shivang classes, we have to go on the playlist and then we can find it over there.
Yes, sir. All these videos are there. You go to is equal to classes Shivang, you go to playlist. You go to playlist. So when you go to playlist, you can note it down. You have to go to class 6, 7th algebra, or you have to go to class 6, 7 fractions. Is there any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
All these videos are there. The percentages videos are there. The decimal fractions, decimal is there. Geometry is there. All these videos are there. Ratio proportion is there. Exponents is there. Everything is there. Because this will help you revise all the topics that we are doing. So, for example, unless and until you understand, until you understand how do I subtract 5 by 7 and 3 by 2. See, if I don't know how to solve this, how will I able to solve this? Something have you understood?
Yes, sir.
What I'll suggest is just go through 2-3 videos. I think you will remember all the things again.
Okay,
This
sir.
is Satya.
Okay, sir.
See, especially I'll tell you, especially you should be revising. Satya, you should revise this class 6 7 algebra. This is a playlist that you should revise, and this class 6 7 fractions. This is what you should revise.
Okay.
Sarthak, any doubt? Okay. Can you see the PDF again?
Yeah.
Sarthak, how should I solve this? Question number 8.
So we'll put 7x upon 15 onto the left hand side. Then we can subtract both the x's and the fractions. LCM will be 15, so it will be 10x into 7 minus into 7 minus 7x.
Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
What should I do next? Multiply both sides by?
So multiply both sides by 15.
Or should I multiply both sides by 15 by 3?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, have you understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Or in this question, actually, there's a simpler way of doing this question because I can cancel these two. I can cancel this 3 and 15. This would be x by 5 is equal to 2. Sarthak, what should I do next? Multiply both sides by
5 upon 1.
5 upon 1. Therefore, x would be equal to 10. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
See, again, this video will also be uploaded by today evening. And what I'll suggest is that before next class, you should solve all these questions again and send me the scan. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, how should I do question number 9?
So we have to bring y to the left hand side, and we'll put 5 upon 3 on the right hand side. So 2y plus y equals 26.
Okay, Sarthak. What should I do? Question number 9.
So you have to bring y to the left hand side and 5 upon 3 to the right hand side. It will become 21 upon 3. Now we'll divide both sides by 3. So y equals 7 upon 3.
Any doubt, Mr. Sarthak?
No, sir.
So these are a bit tricky questions that we are doing, but if you are clear about the addition and subtraction of the fractions, then these shouldn't be difficult. How should I do the last question? Have you understood what I've done? Mr. Satya, have you understood what I've done?
Yes, sir.
Satya, have you understood?
Yes.
Sarthak,
How did you get that 1 upon 2?
how did I get 1 upon 2? Okay. Again, what you can do is, one second. Satya, can you see the screen?
Yes.
See, in this video, we had discussed how to add, subtract, multiply, divide all the integers. So, just go through this video again. Have you understood what I'm saying?
Yes.
So, for example, if I have minus 1 upon is equal to minus 5, I'll take an easier question. Now, I need to divide both sides by minus 3. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So, x would be equal to minus 5 divided by minus 3. Have you understood?
Yes.
Now, basically, in this topic, please try to understand. In this topic, I am doing the division of integers. Have you understood?
Yes.
And that is why I am suggesting just go through this video again. It's a pretty exhaustive video.
Okay.
So x would be equal to minus 5. So whenever divide comes, you take a reciprocal of this number. So basically what I have done is I have taken a reciprocal of minus 3. Reciprocal of minus 3 would be equal to minus 1 upon 3. Have you understood?
Yes.
And that is what I did there. That is why I'm suggesting that just go through this video. So look here. So in this video, in this question, what I've done is I've divided both sides by minus 2. See, minus 2. When I divide, this divide has become multiply, and the number minus 2 I've taken the reciprocal of that number. It is divided by, it is multiplied by minus 1 by 2 now. Have you understood or not?
Yes.
Satya, Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
See, I understand that I need to divide by minus 2 on both sides. So this is a minus 2 I've written here. Now this divide will become multiply. But then I need to take a reciprocal of minus 2. Reciprocal of minus 2 would be equal to minus 1 by 2. Now I'm multiplying minus and minus. This minus and minus becomes plus. And this 2 and 8 gets divided. So the final answer is 4 by 5. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So what I'm suggesting is that this video will be uploaded by evening. And what I'll suggest is just do all these 10 questions again. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Satya, have you understood?